What's the difference between food processors and blenders? If you're looking to transform and prep fresh ingredients, then there are two main categories of appliances for you to consider: blenders and food processors. Each offers unique features, and both can become indispensable devices that empower you to get creative on a daily basis. The K400 3-speed ice-crushing blender is designed to create ideal taste, texture, and consistency for your best-tasting smoothies and icy drinks. Like all KitchenAid blenders, it uses an asymmetrical blade system that pulls ice into the blades for ultimate crushing. And the soft start feature helps prevent splatters for fully blended results and an effective blending vortex. The K400 Blender cranks up the power for smooth results on any recipe, even with the toughest ingredients, from deliciously crafted smoothies to creamy nut butters, fresh sauces, and so much more. The 5 variable speeds offer more control over taste and texture. The Pro Line Series blender gives you superior speed control for optimal texture. Plus, the soup setting delivers enough power to the blade to heat the soup on its own, and then keeps it hot with the available thermal control jar. Just like our powerful Precise blenders, KitchenAid food processors can mix and puree, but they can also help you master chopping, slicing, shredding, whisking, and more. Small footprint, endless inspiration. The 3.5 cup chopper is the perfect kitchen companion. It chops, mixes, and purees, while its drizzle basin lets you incorporate liquids. You can create beyond what's expected with a 9-cup food processor plus that chops, purees, mixes, slices, shreds, kneads, and even churns butter. Large batch meal making is made easy with the large capacity 13-cup food processor. Chop, shred, precision slice, knead, mix, and puree with ease to elevate everyday meals and save space. An all-in-one storage caddy stores blades, discs, and fits right in the work bowl. All KitchenAid food processors are designed with twist-free bowls and lids, and in-bowl storage for less clutter. If you crave rich, creamy smoothies, delicious, icy blended creations, or even hot beverages and soups, KitchenAid blenders offer something for every style of maker. If you're looking to push the bounds of culinary expression in the kitchen and make quick work of food prep, look to the KitchenAid food processors and choppers. Enticing creations await. Explore more at KitchenAid.com.